In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a URL redirect on Hostinger. If you've ever needed to redirect one website address to another, Hostinger makes this process simple and efficient. Whether you're managing a landing page, updating a domain, or just want to ensure your audience ends up in the right place, setting up redirects is a fundamental skill that's useful in various web management scenarios. So let's dive right in and walk through this step by step. First things first, you'll want to access your Hostinger account. Open your preferred web browser and head over to the Hostinger login page. Enter your account credentials, which as a reminder are your registered email and password. If you happen to have multiple accounts or domains, make sure you're logging in with the correct credentials linked to the domain you intend to redirect. Once you're in your Hostinger dashboard, you're in the perfect place to manage all aspects of your hosting account. Next, let's navigate to the redirects section. In your dashboard, take a look at the left side menu. You should notice an option labeled as Redirects. Clicking on this will take you to the Redirects Management page, where you can either view existing redirects or create new ones. It's a centralized spot for all your redirection needs, ensuring you have complete control over how your visitors are redirected from one web page to another. Now it's time to enter your source and target URLs. The source URL is where your users will initially try to access, while the target URL is their ultimate destination, the page you want them to land on. When entering these URLs, be precise and ensure there are no typos. A simple mistake might cause the redirect to fail or direct visitors to the wrong site. It's worth double-checking these details before proceeding, as they are crucial to the redirection working smoothly. Once you've correctly input the source and target URLs, it's as simple as hitting save. Saving this configuration will activate the redirect instantly. From now on, anyone trying to access the source URL will seamlessly be redirected to the new target URL. This is especially useful when you've moved content to a new address or are trying to retire outdated links without breaking anything for your users. And there you have it. With these easy steps, you've successfully created a URL redirect on Hostinger. Remember, the key to ensuring successful redirects lies in accuracy and reviewing your entries before saving. It's a straightforward but powerful tool to have in your web management arsenal. Thank you for tuning in today. If you found this helpful or have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments section, and be sure to subscribe for more straightforward web hosting tutorials.